Life can be rough, but with hilarious pranks like these, things will start looking up in no time.
Oh, an F? My mom's so gonna kill me. I'm just so bad at French. What's up, bro? I failed.
So what?
Let's show that teacher who's boss. She's busy organizing her desk. Perfect. What can we do to ruffle her feathers? I know. I'll slipify while you run, okay? And to ensure some major falling action, my favorite body wash. The floors could use a scrubbing. With the teacher's butt. Okay. Now I wait for the TP attack. All systems are go. Let's do this. She's coming.
Whoa! Why is the floor so slippery? Somebody help me! I can't stop! Somebody take me off this ride! Ah!
Here she comes. This is gonna be epic. This is for my F. How do you say toilet paper in French?
No! What are you doing, David?
Getting revenge? Enjoy your new outfit, Teach.
You'd better hope I don't call your mother.
Prank Masters. You better run. Me too.
Looks like it's breakfast time at David's house.
What? Oh, I hate when that happens. On the other hand, Ellie! Let me just set this thing up.
What's up? Is that a baby chick? Oh, it's trying to hatch. Come on out, little guy. I think I see its beak.
Psych!
Seriously, David?
You actually believed it was a chick. That was so good. Good job, little guy. Whoa!
Stay in your lane, would ya?
I can see the finish line.
I just have to win this.
Will it be David or Ellie? And David takes the cake.
Who's the loser? You are.
Oh, yeah? Give me that thing.
Wait!
Look who's ahead of the race now. Watch out for the fallen branches.
These inclines are not my friends.
Hey, is that Mars?
It's so peaceful out here.
Catch you on Earth. I gotta hide this thing somewhere. These will do.
What is this girl? A gazelle?
I gotta act fast. This is gonna be interesting. God, he's coming.
My sweet baby controllers, come to Papa.
He can sure jump high, huh?
Is the floor exploding below me?
Who's the loser now?
Somebody make the popping stop!
Man, what a baby. Happy cleaning day.
Seriously, Ellie?
Come on, we do this every Sunday. We're wasting time. Let's go.
I better get some supplies. Definitely need this stuff. I'll do some mopping too. Whoa! What on earth is in here? Hello? Phew. I thought something was alive in there. Neat, huh? Actually, it's a gift from the pranking gods. Help me!
David? Maybe he was reaching for something high up in the garage. Lost his footing and slipped and fell. Poor David.
Help me! This sounds pretty bad, right? I've fallen and I can't get up! Ah! This is pretty bad! Is she coming yet? Time for the big pranking moment.
David? What is that thing? Is something alive in there? Come on, Ellie. Be brave. Oh, God.
It's out of control, Ellie! Die, bad creature! Die!
I think it's working.
No creepy animals are moving into this house.
Is it still moving? I can't take it.
I can't take it. Scary broom, huh?
You practically gave me a heart attack.
I can't breathe.
I think I'm finally getting the hang of this. Where'd you get all that candy? Care to share? Chocolate? Marshmallows?
Hey!
When it comes to junk food, Ellie loses all self-control.
Ellie!
You gonna finish that?
You want my half-eaten lollipop?
Just a lick or two.
Then you'll have to be okay with boogers. This thing's going in deep.
David, no!
Oh yeah, that's the spot. And there.
I think I'm gonna be sick.
Still want it?
Yeah! All right, Mr. Whiskers, time for bed. Just gotta find a comfy position here. This doesn't feel right. What are you doing in here? Scroll on your own bed, dude. I could have sworn I left my towel here. Thanks, David. David, this bathroom is occupied.
It's easily gonna be another 5.
Here they are. David! Oh, he's on that stupid phone! I'm going crazy! These pictures are awesome.
This bear's drinking milk from a glass. Riveting.
That's it! I can't take this anymore, David!
Why is this thing so messy? Oh, gross. I'm gonna go get some napkins.
You forgot your stupid phone! Wait a minute, he actually left his phone unattended. Time to have a little fun of my own. One swift hit! And that phone will be a goner. But I'm not that evil. Some simple wrapping will do just fine. The key is lots and lots of layers. Man, it feels good being bad.
My hands are nice and clean. Where's my phone?
Right there, silly.
In all that plastic wrap? Don't worry, phone. I'll save you.
Pretty sticky, huh? Some scissors may help.
I don't deserve this kind of torment. Where are those scissors? This can't possibly be happening. Everything's wrapped. Help!
Did you dig these hilarious pranks? Which one would you want to try on your buddies first? We thought that broom in the bag trick was totally genius. So go ahead and share this video with your friends and plan some epic pranks of your own. Have you watched these funny videos yet? Subscribe to 123 Go Boys YouTube page so you never miss a thing.